This is the Elevated Podcast, and I'm your host, Brandy Lawson. We are in the final episode of the season, wrapping up our comprehensive journey through how to more confidently choose the right software. In the 25 episodes this season, we've explored everything from identifying what's really broken in your business to navigating the AI explosion. And now, you are better equipped to meet the crossroads where the right software decisions can make or break your business. When I walked into KBiz for the first time in 2023, I was kind of floored. Of the 475 exhibitors there, less than a dozen of them were software or technology related. Cabinet dealers and design firms are lagging behind significantly when it comes to using apps, automation, and AI. In some ways, this creates an unexpected advantage. Businesses can be implementing CRMs and project management systems for the first time without worrying about migrating from previous applications. But there's also a massive challenge ahead. AI has become the rocket fuel for the software industry. Remember from last episode how there's an AI for that.com listed over 39,000 AI applications? The capabilities of apps, AI, and systems are exploding at a never-seen-before pace. Utilizing these tools creates a massive competitive edge, improving effectiveness, efficiency, team member happiness, and profit. The time is now, friends. Companies that don't figure out how to leverage these tools are likely to end up out of business or bought up by the growing companies that did. This isn't hyperbole, it's the reality of technological transformation. What makes our framework approach particularly valuable is how it applies regardless of what new technologies emerge. Whether you're evaluating a CRM like the cabinet dealer in episode 21, who discovered their HubSpot just needed better implementation, or considering architecture design software like the firm in episode 23, who switched from 2020 to chief architect. The same systematic evaluation process reveals the right path forward. In episode 22, we talked about how one team cut their email volume by 30%, not by changing email software, but by redirecting communication through their project management system. That transformation happened because they examined what tools do well versus what they struggle with, a principle that applies to any software decision you'll face. In episode 24, when that firm faced a $95,000 upcoming software subscription renewal, they discovered the real question isn't what costs less, but is the current solution worth its cost? That reframing transforms panic into strategic evaluation, a skill that becomes more valuable as technology accelerates. And talking about AI in the last episode illustrated a key insight. Successful implementations focus on augmenting human capabilities rather than replacing them. The cabinet dealers seeing remarkable results with tools like Fireflies.ai aren't trying to automate design. They're using AI to handle data processing and routine documentation, freeing up their expertise for creative problem solving and client relationships. The connection in all these stories is the framework we've been building together. The 5 evaluation factors: problem significance, solution fit, cost-benefit analysis, potential impact, and implementation planning work whether you're assessing traditional software tools or cutting-edge AI tools. Remember Maria from episode 5 who thought she needed new proposal software but discovered her real problem was scattered product information? Or the project management transformation in episode 20, where a firm scaled from 16 to 60 concurrent projects by choosing software that matched their specific workflow needs. Each success story revolves around the same principle. Systematic evaluation reveals opportunities that emotional decision-making misses. The communication patterns we've established throughout the series, describing what happens rather than prescribing what should happen, reflect a deeper truth about software adoption and really human behavior. Change happens most successfully when teams understand the why behind decisions, not just the what. Here's what might feel uniquely challenging about software and technology. Most kitchen and bath businesses haven't been creating environments of change readiness. The industry's been very comfortable with stability, but that comfort zone is rapidly disappearing. Cultivating a culture of embracing change and resilience isn't just helpful anymore, it's essential for survival. The framework we've explored together provides the foundation for navigating this uncertainty. Whether you're facing a forced decision like the Slack renewal crisis, a friction point decision where current systems are obviously painful, or proactive evaluation of new opportunities, the same structured approach transforms overwhelming choices into confident strategic decisions. By now, I hope it's clear that software evaluation isn't about finding perfect solutions. It's about making informed decisions that align with your business goals and evolve with your needs. The cabinet dealer who's committed to using HubSpot properly, the firm that discovered Chief Architect's hidden capabilities, the team that reduced email chaos by using systems for their intended purposes, all found success through systematic evaluation rather than frantic changes. The complete framework and worksheets we've referenced throughout the series are available at fieryfx.com/choose. This season was designed as a self-contained instructional guide to accompany that resource, giving you everything you need to confidently evaluate any software decision you face now or in the future. Looking ahead, the pace of change is only accelerating. New AI capabilities will emerge, integration possibilities will expand, and client expectations will evolve. But armed with a systematic evaluation framework and the insights we've explored together, you're prepared to navigate whatever changes come next. The businesses that thrive won't be those that avoid change. They'll be those that evaluate change strategically and implement it intentionally. That's the competitive advantage this framework provides. The future belongs to businesses that can confidently choose the right software for their unique needs. You now have the framework to be one of them. That's a wrap on Season 7. Want to be one of the first to know when Season 8 premieres? Be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, follow us on Instagram, where we'll be launching a new guide specifically on using AI note takers for client meetings, a step-by-step resource to confidently implement and use this transformative tool.